Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Do you want to add taxonomy images in WordPress? Categories and tags are two default taxonomies that comes built in with every WordPress blog. In this video, we will show you how to add taxonomy images in WordPress. In other words, you will be able to add image icons for your categories, tags, and other custom taxonomies. Before start this tutorial, we recommend you to test this code on your local website or staging site. Otherwise, it can make problems on your live site. So, let's see how it can be done. First, install Taxonomy Image plugin in your WordPress site. Now, go to Settings menu, and click the Taxonomy Images link to configure plugin settings. In this page, you will see a list of taxonomies available on your WordPress site. Choose the taxonomies, where you want to enable the Taxonomy Images feature, and then click on the Save Changes button. To add images to each category, you will need to navigate to Posts and click Categories page. On the Categories page, you will notice a new column labeled Image in your category list. Since you haven't added any images to categories yet, it will show a default blank image with an Add button for each category. Go ahead and click on the Add button below the blank image. This will bring up the default WordPress Media Uploader pop-up. You can select an image from your WordPress media library or upload a new image. After that, go ahead and repeat the process to add images for all terms in your taxonomy. To display taxonomy images on your WordPress site, you will need to edit your WordPress theme or child theme. You will need to find the template responsible for displaying your taxonomy archives. Now, go to Theme folder and select your theme. We are using Astra, so we click in the Astra folder. Find archives.php and open it. Now, paste this code where you want to display your taxonomy image. Usually, you would want to add the taxonomy title. You can set image sizes by writing the thumbnail, medium, large, or full in this double quote. To set defaults, write thumbnail. Next, after adding the code, you need to save this file and upload it back to your website using FTP. That's it. You can now visit the Taxonomy Archive page to see it display your taxonomy image. So, if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and hopefully you were able to learn some valuable information. And we'll see you the next one. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel to get more update on WordPress plugin tutorials and technical videos.